Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Symphony Heights, a project developed by Disha Habitat, and this project is located in Hennur, North Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the actual surrounding of our project. Now let me show you the surrounding of our Symphony Heights. So basically I'm standing in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information and details, and our land parcel is just beside our marketing office where the construction work is in full swing. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So the project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel, consisting of single signature tower of ground plus 20 floor, offering you 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Doddagubbೆ main road in Hennur, North Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Doddagubbೆ main road taking you towards Anganapura, and the opposite side road will take you towards Tanisandra main road. Now about the further connectivity and location part, so you can connect to Bile-Shivle road in just 1.7 kilometers. Decathlon is 2.2 kilometers away. New Airport road is again 2.1 kilometers from your location. Now about the amenities, and the project provides you world-class luxurious amenities like here's the walking track up to 1 kilometer. Podium level of amenities like of kids play zone, sitting area, rooftop amenities like of sports court, swimming pool, kids play zone, and many more. And now even they have made the demo wall over here, and the best part is they have not used the ordinary bricks. Here is the smart bricks. So basically it keeps your house cool, and the temperature adjusted as per the weather, and the ventilation good as well. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So the project offers you 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK is of 1796 square feet, 3.5 BHK 1939 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Symphony Heights by Disha Habitat located in Hennur, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.